Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss insulin resistance, a silent metabolic dysfunction that gradually progresses into type 2 diabetes mellitus. This topic is extremely important because it often develops unnoticed for years before clinical diagnosis, leading to serious complications. Understanding its mechanism and progression is essential for early intervention and prevention. What is insulin? Insulin is a peptide hormone produced by the beta cells of the pancreas. Its primary function is to regulate blood glucose levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into tissues like muscle and adipose tissue. It also inhibits glucose production by the liver, maintaining metabolic balance. What is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance is a condition in which the body's cells do not respond effectively to insulin. Even though insulin is present, its ability to promote glucose uptake is impaired. This results in elevated blood glucose levels and compensatory mechanisms by the body. Pathophysiology. The pathophysiology of insulin resistance involves multiple mechanisms. There is impaired insulin receptor signaling, leading to reduced translocation of GLUT4 transporters to the cell surface. This decreases glucose uptake by muscle and adipose tissue. Simultaneously, the liver continues to produce glucose, worsening hyperglycemia. Chronic inflammation and lipotoxicity further aggravate insulin resistance. Causes and risk factors. Several factors contribute to insulin resistance. Obesity, particularly central or visceral fat, is a major risk factor. Physical inactivity and high-calorie diets worsen metabolic dysfunction. Genetic predisposition and conditions like polycystic ovarian syndrome also increase risk. Compensatory hyperinsulinemia. In the early stages, the pancreas compensates by producing more insulin. This leads to hyperinsulinemia, which helps maintain near-normal blood glucose levels. However, this phase is often silent, and patients may remain asymptomatic for years. Progression to prediabetes. As insulin resistance progresses, the pancreas can no longer compensate adequately. This leads to prediabetes, characterized by impaired fasting glucose and impaired glucose tolerance. Blood sugar levels begin to rise but are not yet high enough for a diabetes diagnosis. Development of type 2 diabetes. Eventually, chronic stress on pancreatic beta cells leads to their dysfunction and decline. Insulin production decreases, and blood glucose levels rise significantly. At this stage, type 2 diabetes mellitus develops, requiring medical intervention. Clinical features. Early insulin resistance is often asymptomatic. As diabetes develops, patients may present with classic symptoms such as increased urination, excessive thirst, fatigue, and changes in weight. However, many patients remain undiagnosed until complications occur. Complications. Untreated insulin resistance and diabetes can lead to serious complications. These include cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, kidney disease, and eye damage. These complications significantly affect quality of life and increase mortality risk. Prevention and management. The progression of insulin resistance can be prevented or delayed through lifestyle modifications. Weight loss, regular physical activity, and a balanced diet are highly effective. In some cases, medications such as metformin may be used to improve insulin sensitivity. Thank you for watching this lecture. In today's session, we explored the science of insulin resistance and how it silently progresses into type 2 diabetes mellitus. Understanding this hidden progression is crucial for early diagnosis, effective prevention, and reducing long-term complications. As future healthcare professionals, recognizing these early metabolic changes can make a significant difference in patient outcomes. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more high-yield medical content. Thank you once again, and I would be happy to take any questions.